A potential collision avoided, thanks to the new blind spot detection system from Brandmotion. We've brought state-of-the-art radar technology into the reach of every manufacturer and driver. Our blind spot detection system is an extra set of eyes on the road that is easy to use and easy to fit. This is how it works. 2 radar units hidden in the back of the vehicle constantly monitor the road to the side and rear. When a hazard is detected, a warning light activates on the corresponding A-pillar, where the driver can see it. That tells them that something is in their blind spot. Activating the left or right turn signal triggers an audible alarm and makes a warning light flash. Brandmotion's blind spot detection system is the same proven technology on high-end luxury vehicles. Radar-based systems are much less affected by dirt, rain, fog, and direct sunlight than ultrasonic or camera-based systems. The system makes driving easier and safer. An added feature of the system is rear cross-traffic detection. When the vehicle is in reverse, the system changes the radar pattern to look for oncoming traffic directly on each side of the vehicle. In the shop, fitment is quick and easy. Brandmotion has designed custom brackets that fit to the specific vehicle discreetly behind the rear bumper fascia. No calibration is required by the installer. Brandmotion's radar blind spot detection system is a complete solution for genuine accessory fitment. With more than 10 years' experience in automotive electronics and integration, Brandmotion has made a product that will help you drive a safer car today.